Anurag from IT Roorkee, and we would be continuing discussing our top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And our today's question is copy list with random pointer. So this question states that a linked list of length n is given such that each node contains an additional random pointer which could point to any node in the list or null. Construct a deep copy of the list. The deep copy should consist of exactly brand new nodes and brand new nodes, where each new node has its value set to the value of its corresponding original node. Both the next and random pointer of the new nodes should point to the new nodes in the copied list such that pointers in the original list and copied list represent the same list state. None of the pointers in the new list should point to nodes in the original list. For example, if there are two nodes x and y in the original list where x dot random is pointing to y, then for corresponding two nodes x and y in the copied list, x dot random should also point to y. Return the head of the copied linked list. The linked list is represented as input output in the input output as a list of n nodes. Each node is represented as a pair of value random index where value and integer representing node dot value and random index the index of the node range from 0 to n minus 1 that the random pointer points to, or null if it does not point to any node. Your code will only be given the head of the original linked list. Let's see the example number 1. So this is the linked list given to us. 7 is pointing to 13, 13 is next pointing to 11, 11 next pointing to 10, and 10 next pointing to 1, and 1 next pointing to null. And 7th random is pointing to null. 13th random is pointing to 7. 11th random is pointing to 1. So this random pointer is, like as the name suggests, it is pointing randomly, and we have to create a deep copy like the same linked list we have to create, and these pointers should be pointing to the pointers to the new linked list. So let's see the explanation, like how we are going to solve this. We'll create a hash map, and in that hash map we will store key as this list node, and the value as the new node which we would be creating in the new linked list. So for each of these nodes we will create a new node which will be the part of our new final linked list, and we would store the mapping of this older linked list node to the newer linked list node. We'll store each of the nodes mapping, and after creating this map we will go through each element of this linked list one by one, and we will assign, like we will check what is the next pointer of this old linked list. So whatever next pointer is there, so suppose for this next is 13, so in that new linked list we will store this value of this key 13 from the map. Let's go to the code and see how we are going to solve it. So in the code we have to implement this node star copy random list node star head function, and we are defining this map which we were talking about, map node star m. Then we are defining this another node star head 2 is equals to head, just to keep a track of where the head is. And then we are defining this node star new node, and then we will create this map first. So while head is not equals to null, new node is equals to new node head value, and m of head is equals to new node, and head is equals to head dot next. So in this way, up to this point our map is created. Now we'll again point this head to head 2 so that our head points to the starting point, and now we'll again iterate through our original linked list. So while head is not equals to null, we'll find out the value, like m of head is equals to new node, and if head next is not equals to null, then we will assign the value of new node next as m of head next, else we'll assign this new node next as null. Same case will go for random. If head random is not equals to null, then you'll assign new node dot random is equals to m of head dot random, else we'll assign new node dot random is equals to null, and we'll move head to head dot next. We'll keep repeating this process until head becomes null, and then finally we'll return m of head 2, because this value of this map represents our new linked list. So we are finally returning this m of head to. So let's try to run this code and see whether it's working fine. So this solution is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it has got accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such top into 50 series of questions on Leetcode.